So off the bat, number one of the biggest causes of hemorrhagia or excessive menstruation is estrogen dominance. So you really have to work on getting your hormones fixed, okay? And that includes looking at the adrenals. That includes looking at all the dietary, blood sugar, and nutritional and lifestyle stressors that go into that, okay? Sleep, diet, nutrition, digestion, adrenals. So all of those really have to be looked at and addressed. Number two, there's typically going to be like a luteal phase defect, meaning a shorter last half of the cycle. Progesterone tends to fall out early and it's not dramatic. So like if here's like ovulation to the last day of your cycle, day 27, 28, you bleed right after, right? So progesterone goes up and then it naturally comes down like this beautiful arch here, right? Now what happens in women that have excessive bleeding or hemorrhagia, they go up and they just pitter out soon, or they pitter out and go like this. And that without having that active rise and fall, we tend to go into this place called estrogen dominance, where the relative ratio of estrogen goes higher than progesterone. That can create that issue. Excess of bleeding is really important because that's going to then lower your iron. Without enough iron, you can't attach oxygen to your hemoglobin. So your ability to engage in aerobic metabolism gets decreased. Your mitochondria essentially get mugged, so it's harder to generate energy. So no, you do not want to give blood, number one. Number two, there are other better forms of iron. Like in my supplement line, we use one called Iron Supreme. That's a ferrous bisglycinate. Some use a gluconate. These are better chelated versions of iron that aren't your typical ferrous sulfate that cause constipation and black stools. We can always go to things like a Floravital, that's a plant-based iron, or even just liver-based iron as well. And we have to fix the underlying issue of why that estrogen dominance is there to begin with.